Here's Heidi opening her package from Uncle Robbie. What is it? It's a Hello Kitty lunchbox.
Mommy,
You should open it.
There's more.
There's more?
Me and Heidi. No.
Put them down.
Can Heidi share,
Oh,
Mom?
that's a cute shirt. Okay.
There's more.
Look at all
Does
that from
Heidi
Uncle
like
Robbie.
these? And Oreos!
Oreo's her favorite. Okay, why don't you open your lunchbox and see if there's anything in there.
Okay. Shake it, Heidi. Sounds like there's something in there.
Whoa, look at all those lollipops. Hannah, look at those lollipops.
Honey, candy. Honey, can you share?
Hey, there's some new kinds.
Honey, can you share with me?
Yes, she will, whether she knows it or not.
Honey, can you
Not right now. Hey, Heidi, look at the camera. Say thank you, Uncle Robbie.
Thank you, Uncle Robbie. Thank you, Uncle Robbie. Thank you, Uncle Robbie. Thank you, Uncle Robbie.